name is Ravish and I'm from Rastanora Elementary School. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper aeroplane. First, you start with a square piece of paper and fold it in half, and then you unfold. I'll show you how. Like this. See this? Not like a book. It has to stay like it has to have two columns, from one side long and one side short. Next, take the two top corners and fold them to the center line. But here's a hard tip. They have to be centered at the center line. And then again take the corners like this. And then again take the corners and fold it again back to the center line, but it's even longer, so that you will get this shape. The last two shapes are easy. The three steps are easy. Fold it in half like this. Turn it the right way so that you can get it. Take the top layer of this and then fold it downwards like this. Turn it around and do the same thing like this. Open the wings up, and then you have a paper aeroplane. Launch it into the sky. I'll show you how. I'll show you. Look at this. See that? How far and high. So, if you like my video, please click the thumbs up button. If you really like it, subscribe my video below. Thanks for watching.